What's up, trendsetter gang? What's up, y'all? What y'all doing? I wanted to bring to you today a nail application, and I got everything just bunched up here real quick. I just want to show you how I apply my nails. I do some little edits. I don't want to say from whatever um instructions you may see on the back of the nail box. I pretty much do the same, but I have some things that I've done as a little girl that my mom taught me. So uh that I picked up as time went on. And I got two little cotton balls in here. I don't know why I brought this. But anyway, when I do get first of all, when I I can't talk today. When I apply my nails, before I apply my nails, I have a ritual. I do a manicure first. So I always have like a little towel or something I don't care about. See, it's a little raggedy towel, nothing real fancy and cute. Because again, I'm, doing a manicure. I'm cleaning my nails, um, and all that kind of stuff. So, okay. I'm not going to go into the whole thing of it today for the sake of video. But one of my customers from my business gave me a clay pot. And I like clay pots. She did a very good job, with the cracking and all that stuff in it. But anyway, she glazed it off. But this was a gift to me. And I didn't have any other pots with it. So I'm like, oh, this would be perfect. And I told her that I would use it for my nail, manicure thing situation. So anyway, I put like some warm water or hot as I can stand it. And I may put a little oil in. It could be coconut oil. It could be any essential oils. The best oil I would recommend, and I do it all the time, is a tea tree oil. But the oil that I used it this time. This is lavender. This is by Dr. Bronner's, if you can see that. But the one that I normally use, that I'll pour into my water just a little bit, maybe like a capful, just a little couple of squirts. You don't need a whole bunch. It's a Castile soap, but it's a wash. So while you're soaking your hands, you're not just softening them so you can push back your cuticles to cut them. You're also cleaning them with the tea tree oil that's in it. The tea tree oil is an antiseptic. And it cleans your, I deal in, water. So I need to, sometimes I need to be able to tea tree oil is an antiseptic, and it's an anti microbial, like you can clean. It's good for hair, nails, and scalp. So it's good for that. So I just put a little bit in my water and I soak my hands, until desired. I use these two items. Okay, let me put this down. I don't even know what you call this, but I use these. You see these in the nail salon to push back the cuticle. I also use this wooden stick that comes in a lot of the nail boxes to push back the cuticle as well. I use these. These are always, you can get these in any kind of drug store or nail store, like a beauty supply store like Sally's, maybe even the Chinese store. But these are to cut your cuticles. And of course, I have my file. It's all worn out, my little file. And then I have the buffing side, and that side right there to buff. And here are my regular nail files. And this one says LA Colors. So I have several different whatevers. But anyway, when I first start, the first thing I do is I soak my hands. I may sit and watch TV while I'm doing it. When I feel like they, maybe for sometimes, depending on how dry, my cuticles grow long over my nails. So I may do it as long as 30 minutes. I've done it longer. It just depends. Your nails may not be as dry, and I have cleaning solutions and things on it. Your nails may not be as dry and crazy, your cuticles, as mine. So I do 30 minutes, sometimes more. It just depends. Especially if they're cracked and it's in the winter time and all this kind of stuff. When I get done, I make sure that I dry my hands off really good, because your nails have natural oils in them already, and then you're putting oil in it's in the cleaning water. These are Castile soaps, so even though this is not the tea tree comes in an orangey looking type of bottle. Maybe I can go find one of my bottles and I can show you the one, but these are Castile soaps, so they have essential oils already in them. But tea tree is the one that I use. You can get them at Earth Fare or Whole Foods or any kind of, organic, healthy store. You can get this, or you can probably order it on Amazon. I think Amazon has them too. And I get the big ones sometimes. Here are the cotton balls. You always need you need some cotton balls. I'm running low. I have to go get me some more, but you always need cotton balls. So you can maybe take off some polish that you already have on your nails, or just to dehydrate the nail, which is to get the natural oils out, because you want the fake nails or the kiss nails to be able to, the glue will last longer when you get the oils off of your nails. So the dehydrator is the cotton balls we use with the dehydrator. So your dehydrator can be alcohol. Some people use alcohol. Use what you have. Or some people use this, the non-acetone fingernail polish remover. Or some people use acetone. I just happen to have non-acetone. I don't think I prefer one over the other. But you can use either of those. And you get your cotton ball, put this on, and I let it kind of sit on my nail and glide it off slow. And go cross your nails a couple of times. My nails, everybody's nails have a certain amount of oil in them. And then when I'm already cleaning, I have oil in the Castile soap. So I make sure that I get them good and dry. Sometimes I'll wait a day before I actually apply the nail, because I want to make sure my nails are super duper dry. Like, I want the beds to be dried out. This helps with the application of the nail. So I don't know which nails I want to do first. I think I want to do these first. Okay, see, like this has the LA colors. It came with glue, so I can use my old glue or use the new glue. It don't matter. I got glue everywhere. But I always try to keep a spare in my purse where the top sticks on, so in case one pops off and I'm at a restaurant or I'm out or something, I can recover real quick. Let's see. So you get the glue and you put it on the nail after you get through dehydrating, and you just go ahead on and apply the nail. But before let me go back to that. I always glue the nail from the tip, from here to maybe about right here to, the part that I think is going to cover the nail. I take the glue all the way to that point. And then I put the glue on my real nails here. And then you got glue on your real nail and glue on the fake nail, and slide the nail on and hold. Slide it on and hold it down. And I mean press. Okay? Because you want this nail to be on. You want it to stay on. You want it to last. You want the nail to stay glued to your finger longer. So when I slide with the glue on the nail and the glue on your real nail, when you slide it on, it keeps the air bubbles It gets rid of the air bubbles so the nail can stay longer. So that's why I'm able to wear my nails for a whole month sometimes and they don't even pop. And I'm washing, I'm dealing in water because I clean houses for a living. So it allows me to still be able to move. I can come home and wash dishes and do stuff without even a problem because I got glue on the fake nail, glue on the real nail, slide it on, get rid of the air bubbles, and you gotta, your nail can, that's my trick. I don't know what anybody else does, but my trick for my nails staying on past 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops, is that I put glue on my real nail, put glue on the fake nail, and slide it on. So I said that a lot just so you make sure you do that. And that's pretty much it. So yeah. So stay tuned. I have another video where I'm gonna actually, I think I'm gonna apply a couple nails and let you guys see. I've already I've been soaking. So my nails should be good. I'm gonna do something really quick and show you how to apply a couple of nails. So you guys can see it. I think I'm gonna do one hand and then maybe I can do the other hand off camera. But I can do one hand for you guys just so you get the gist, because I just don't want the video to go on too long, so you guys get the gist. So when you're, just so you know, I don't know what I did with my little, I had a paper. I had my a paper where what I do is I had wrote down how I apply the nail and added but anyway, I just told you guys pretty much what I do, and if it's something that I miss, I will tell you as I go. Just so you know, so the whole thing is you start with clean, dry nails. So if you want to go underneath your nail, oh, I know, clip my nails. Some people wait till after they clean their nails to clip them. I clip my nails low, cause you gotta clip them. It's just like clipping your hair ends. You gotta clip them and start all over. I always do that because my nails stay healthy that way. I clip them all down. I clip the cuticles. I make sure my nails have soap. They're very clean. They've been dehydrated before I do the application of the nail. And I file my nails, of course, and I dip them in some water and then get a towel and just kind of go back and forth with the towel, because again, you want to make sure them nails are dry. That's very important in nail application, trust me. So you start with clean, dry nails, and in the LA Colors nail, they have a pad that comes in. I use the pad sometimes, but sometimes they not wet enough. I like a cotton ball because I feel like when you are dehydrating your nail, you need a cotton ball that's going to soak that up. But I understand what they did. They tried to make a nail kit, a mini nail kit, which I love and respect, and I understand. So if you are not at home and you need to use the pad in here, oh, here it is. This is the pad. And I just might use it on the next video. This is the alcohol pad that you use, okay? So you start with clean, dry nails and use the alcohol pad, okay, to dehydrate your nail. Go across the nail. You select a nail size that closely matches your own nail. File as needed. This is what they say on the back of the LA box. I'm going to read y'all's, and then I'm going to show y'all how I do mine. So I don't think it's a wrong, I don't know, maybe somebody would say it's the wrong way, but I'll just show you my way. I'm going to actually show you my way, but I'm reading you what LA Nails say. Number one, start with clean, dry nails and use the alcohol prep pad that comes with it. that's included in the box. Like I said, I use cotton balls, and I use, I gotta have a lot on my nail because I have a lot of oil. Select nail size that closely matches your own nail, and then file as needed. Place a drop of glue included to underside of artificial nail and spread with nozzle. And that's what I do. I put a drop of glue to the underside of the artificial nail, but I put a little bit. Don't sap it up with your nail. Just take the nail. I'm trying to find the word. Take the glue nozzle and not just spread it on the nail, but spread it on the artificial nail, but do it on your nails, which I'm gonna show you. Don't be careful because you don't want it to come out freely. You just want enough, because if you do too much, the glue is gonna seep out, and then it turns white around the nail. So you don't want to do that. I'll show you how to do that. And then position and press down firmly on your own nail, close to but not touching the cuticle. Hold for a few minutes, a few seconds until nail adheres. And that's what I do. I hold the nail down. Let me say this. They said don't do it close to the cuticle. I do. And maybe there's something I need to check on. Maybe I do something different where I do it close to the cuticle, but not too close. But I normally do it close to the cuticle, because my cuticles are always growing. It seems like they grow. I don't know, they seem like they grow every 2 or 3 days or something. My cuticles are just crazy. They just like, oh, girl. My cuticles grow faster than my hair, girl. But anyway. So number 5, to remove soap nails and acetone base nail polish remover until artificial nails dissolve. I've done that. If you want them off right away, let's say you put them on for 2 or 3 days, and I got something real heavy to do at work, and I'm discovering, oops, I got to get these off. Then I say get some acetone. But for the most part, I work in water. They eventually wear themselves off, and I keep them on until they just flop off. I don't do no pulling on my nails. I just never have done that. Not going to do that. Not a fan of it. It's just what it is. And then number 6, do not force or pull off nails, as can cause damage, which is what I was just saying. I'm not into that. I feel like it can pull off protein from the nail, and you don't want to do that. I just am not a big fan of snatching nails. I have done that before in my younger life. Can't tell you why, but I did. But it hurt. So I will never. Pretty much when my nails are on, they on, and whatever I'm doing, I just gotta weather the storm. I just don't snatch my nails off. I don't snatch my lashes off. I just don't do it. So okay, there you have it. That's the LA nail, the instructions that I was telling you guys about. That's on the back of the box. So then the next video, watch. I would like for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell anybody that you know and everyone that you know about your girl Landis. This is the Lifestyle Trendsetter Gang, and love you guys. If you have anything else you want me to talk about concerning the nails, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.